Hello and welcome to your first ICT lesson. This is Mr. Mudathir from Legacy School and this is ICT Year 7. Welcome to a fantastic new world. It's time to discover the magic world of computers and learn why they are so important in our lives. You will learn what a computer is and why it's so useful. You will explore the operating system, which is an essential part of any computer. You will also learn how to create files and folders to store your data. It's the 21st century and we use computers in every aspect of our lives. You can find them almost everywhere. At your school, at home, at your parents' workplace. Even the new cell phones are small computers. What exactly is a computer? A computer is an electronic device that can store, retrieve, and process data. You can use it to type documents, draw images, listen to music, watch movies, communicate with friends, and much more. Today, different types of computers are available on the market and vary in size and power. The most common term we use for a computer is PC, which stands for personal computer. Personal computers are the ones that you have in your house or at school. But you can find computers almost everywhere in different forms: phones, ATMs, supermarkets, cars, and even washing machines. All use small computers. So let's put a pin on the definition of computers over here. A computer is an electronic device that can store, retrieve, and process data. I want you to memorize this because I will be asking of the definition of the computer till the end of the year. We can be using computers and we cannot know the definition. That's impossible. So the definition of a computer is an electronic device. Why is it an electronic device? Because it uses electricity to work. The computer also stores the data or information, retrieve the data. Retrieve as in you already have your files on your computer. When you open those files, it means you are retrieving them. So you store the file, then you're gonna retrieve it and then process the data. Processing, it means having a result of something. For example, if you typed on a calculator 2 into 2 or 2 plus 2, the process is plus and the result is 4. If it's 2 plus 2, the process happens and the computer gives you the result, which is 4. And the uses of the computer are: you can use it to type documents, draw images, listen to music, watch movies, communicate with friends, and much more. However, remember the definition. A computer is an electronic device that can store, retrieve, and process data. The very popular type of computer is the desktop computer. You can find desktop computers in every household or workplace, and they come in different sizes: small, medium, or large. A desktop computer does not consist of one device, but it has parts that are connected together. So here is a desktop computer, just like the one that we have on the ICT lab at school. This is the monitor. You can also call it the screen. This is the tower. You can also call it the CPU, central processing unit, because this is the brain of the computer. And everything that is connected to the desktop is called peripheral devices, like the keyboard, the mouse, a USB device. Everything that you connect to the computer is called peripheral devices. The flash drive is called a storage device because it has a memory and we store our files in it. Second types of computer is laptop computers or notebook. Laptop computers are portable PCs that you can carry almost anywhere you want because they are small, light, and they use a battery. But keep in mind that the battery can last between 2 to 7 or 8 hours. Laptop computers are small in size. That's not easy to upgrade them. You may upgrade their memory or hard disk, but you cannot make any other upgrades. Another type of computers are servers. A server is a main computer that usually provides different services to other computers. For example, a file server is a computer where all the students of a school can store their files, and a web server is a computer that helps you browse the internet. When you click a link, the web server brings you the page you requested to your computer. So this is how it looks like. This is a server, and those are the computer that ask the server for a service. Let's go through other types of computers. You have supercomputers. Supercomputers are really powerful computers with high processing capacity. They are usually big in size, they have many processors, and can perform millions of calculations at the same time. You find these types of computers in universities and research places. Tablet computers. Tablet computers are the newest member of the computer world. They usually don't have a keyboard and use a touch screen to input data, although the concept of a tablet PC goes back to the 60s, and the first one with Microsoft Windows was created in 2001. They became really popular with the release of Apple iPad in 2010. Today, there's a variety with different operating systems like Google Android, Microsoft Windows, and Apple iOS. Smartphones are also a type of a computer. Nowadays are really small computers. Of course, you can always call your friends or your grandmother, but you can also browse the internet, send and receive emails, chat with friends, and play games, all using a smartphone. Game consoles. The game consoles allows you to play video games. Today, the latest consoles let you browse the internet and play online games with your friends. So that was our first lesson in ICT Year 7. We have defined what is a computer, and we've gone through some of the types of computers that we see or we use every day. In the next lesson, we're going to learn about the main parts of a computer. If there was a confusion at some point in the lesson, please play the video one more time, or maybe even 2 more times until you get everything, because all of these information will be in the end of the unit assessment. I hope you enjoyed your lesson. Till the next lesson, take care. Bye.